Hi guys, today I will show you another use for leftover idli batter, how to make onion dosa. It will help you in planning your breakfast or as a quick snack option. These are the ingredients required. For this we need about 3 cups of idli batter. Link to the video for the batter is popping up above. Link is also given in the description box below. Take 1 cup onions, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, 4 green chilies, 4 to 5 curry leaves. Mix this well and our topping is ready. We do not add any extra salt for the batter because the idli batter already has salt. The batter should be thick consistency. Splash water if the tawa is very hot. Use a thick tawa. Take the idli batter and spread it thin. Spread the toppings on the surface of the dosa. Put 1 teaspoon oil on top of the dosa and on the sides. Press the toppings into the dosa so that they don't fall off. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Separate the edges and flip the dosa gently. Again, put 1 teaspoon oil. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. And our quick and easy onion dosa is ready. We prepare this dosa whenever we have idli batter left over, and this is a very healthy and easy breakfast option for those lazy weekday mornings when you do not want anything elaborate. If you like this video, please like and share it. Comment in the comment sections below, and for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.